Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, August 15, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. If it closes and drops quickly below the 21, it might rebound back up right around the 470 and a quarter area. So I expect that to bounce off of that point of control. So if it gets down to there, we might even pull our profits because that'll put us around about a $1.75, $1.80 run. We got to cut this short because we have a meeting that we have to get to. So we'll try to get this out of the way and move on.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.75 drop within 3 minutes today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.